Lakers and Celtics. Oh, because he broke his nose, huh? Just like the Candyman.
Can I get on there? Mr. Piggy. Can I get that?
Wait, I want to see what the dog's doing. What's she doing?
Nothing, because she sees your hands.
She sees what?
You gotta cover your hands.
Why?
And she knows you're a person. Cookie's like, you're dumb.
Where's he at?
They're on the footstool.
Where's he at?
That's still going on Facebook.